Welcome to Remedial 1 YouTube channel. In this video, I'm solving question 8 of WASI 2023 school, that is September. Let's see how we are going to do this one. We have a diagram on the screen, triangle STV. This is a right angle triangle, okay. And we are supposed to find the angle marked X here. And then the length UV, finally the area of triangle SU, okay. So let's see how we are going to do this. Now looking at this diagram, we want to find X first, but then let's consider triangle SUT. So triangle SUT, we know two of its angles, 72 and 90, so we can find this small angle. That will be angle UST. So angle ST becomes 180 minus 72 plus 90. Why? Because sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180. So if you know two of its sides, the third one, you add the 2 and subtract it from 180. And we are getting 180 minus 162, which is equal to 18 degrees. So knowing this angle to be 18, we know the hypotenuse, we know the adjacent. So we can hypotenuse and adjacent, which of the ratio? That will be cos. So therefore, cos x plus 18 is equal to adjacent. Yeah, the adjacent side is 15 over this side. So 15 over 10, 3. So if you want x plus 18, that will be cos inverse of 15 over 10 root 3. And x over 18 is equal to the cos inverse of that is giving us 30. So to find x, it is 30 minus 18. So x is equal to, that is the first part. Now let's go back to the diagram. We are to find UV. Right. Now to be able to find UV, we need to know the whole length and then find the side too. Then when we subtract, we will get U. So looking at the bigger triangle STV, this is hypotenuse, this is adjacent. So this square plus that square is equal to the hypotenuse. So from triangle STU, and then using Pythagorean theorem, we have VT square plus 15 square is equal to 10 root 3 whole square. So VT square will be, this one will be 100 times 300. So 300 minus 225. So VT squared is equal to 75 when you subtract. So VT, the length VT will then be square root of 75, and square root of 75 is 5 root 3, or we have 8.66 meters. Okay, knowing the value of this side, then we can find this side too. So let's go back. So we know this is the acute angle, and this is facing this side, that is opposite, and then this is adjacent. So opposite and adjacent, which of the ratios? I think tan will do. So we have tan 72 is equal to adjacent, which is 15 over. So to find UT, making UT the subject, we have 15 over tan 72. Now when we simplify, we are getting 4.874 meters. Now we want to find UV. So if you know UT and we know VT, so the UV will be subtracting UT from VT. So therefore UV then becomes 8.66 minus 4.874, and which is 3.786. Now we were asked to correct to nearest whole number, so we have 4 meters. Okay. Now we have been asked to find the area of SUV. So take a look at something here. We want to find the area of SUV. Now, when you consider the whole triangle, it's a right angle triangle. So, and then we have a smaller one here. So all that we need to do is to find the area of the smaller, bigger right angle triangle. And then we find the area of the smaller one. Then we subtract. That will give us the area of the triangle. So area of triangle is half base times height. So area of SUV becomes half times, they will all have the same base, but then it is the area of the smaller the bigger one times 8.66 minus 4.874. Now look at something here. You could have found the area of the bigger one using this, then we find the area of the smaller one using this one. When we finish, we subtract the two areas, or you can do it together like this. So when we simplify further, we are getting 7.5 times, when you subtract this, 3.786. So when we multiply, we are getting 28.395. And we were asked to correct to the nearest whole number. So that will be 28 meters squared. So this is less than 5. So we ignore that. That is the area of triangle SUV. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching us for the first time and have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on the notification button so that anytime we drop a video,